Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video with me, Michelle, and
whoa, that's huge!
We've drove 600 miles, and I know a lot of people clickbait that stuff. Literally, guys, we drove 600 miles to do this fidget shopping challenge. So we're gonna head into Five Below. We've never been into this Five Below, and he chose, what'd you choose? Red versus green for the Christmas spirit.
Jingle bell, Robin smell, Robin lit egg. Batman Bill, let's do it, and Joker the ballet. Hey.
Decided on the roll one? Okay, there's one for me too. Alright, I'm gonna let you lead. What do you already see? Ooh.
Wait, it has a green in it.
It has pinwheels.
But look, it has green in it.
No, that's not enough green. Look at these, Christian.
This is a lot of green.
That was just laying there. That is green. Look at these, buddy. How big they are. Oh, I might be able to find red. Come on. Oh, we should have done gold. Okay. Oh, tubes. Is there any, Christian? Like, it's green, but it's got pink. I don't know that those count. These are your favorite, aren't they? That's not enough green. I told you this challenge was gonna be hard with fidgets. Christian, they have them here. The mystery Squishmallows. I know, Sissy would love to know they're here. He's gonna try to count this. Christian. I knew you were going to try to count that as green. Wait, you want to pick your lucky one? They've got all these.
So I'm going to have a pickle and the kitty cat.
So which one's lucky? Which one? What do you want? You want the cat, don't you?
This one's lucky.
That one's lucky? All right.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, look, they got these too. We love our water one. It's so fun, isn't it? Okay, oh, hold on, let me get my cart. That's empty.
Yeah.
I always get the bad color.
Green.
That is green. The little worms.
What?
Pull him.
Wait.
Oh, what are these? 5 flavored lip glosses.
Green.
And it's Sour Patch. You think, well, Caroline would like that too. Oh, I'm all over the place. There's a Skittle one. Which one do you think Sissy would like better? And it's red. You think Skittles or Sour Patch? I am so losing this challenge, guys. I'm just I'm losing it. Tie-dye slime? What? Do they have any red?
Or green.
No, they don't.
Green is red.
Yeah, is that red? Yeah, watermelon slime. It's kind of pink. That would kind of be cheating. They have nothing. Oh. They got Splappos. This is mine. It's going in mine. Yep, I'll take you. I've been looking for these.
Wait, what's my color again? Green?
You're green. They might have a green one. Nope. Oh, what's this, an egg? The hands, but it's blue. What is, ooh, they have slime. What is this? Nope. Christian, if they have a green one of these. Oh, they got red. Okay, I'll take red. And you're taking green? Woo! What are you trying to do? No, you can't fill your cart with the pickles.
Well, I love these things.
You love them?
Okay.
Oh, here's a green poppet he went by.
Oh, it's green too.
It is. It's a spaceman. There's black. Where's the red ones? Red? Nope. It's like a star.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. That's your color, dude. It's not gonna be any red. Oh,
Yay!
you get that one.
Oh.
Hey, Christian, does it count if this red here? No way.
Another one.
Awesome. Yeah, going in your cart? You got it, dude. The lobbies. We don't have these at our Five Below.
Oh, it's just a ball.
But none of them's really red. Oh, wait. A light up. Light up. A light up glitter. That's so red. That is going in my cart.
Mommy, it changed faces.
Oh.
Green.
The red one? Angry Birds. Is that considered? That's not a fidget to me.
But it is.
It is?
I feel like it is.
Okay. He said I could. Yes, there is. Ryan's World is making something. It looks like a Yoshi head. Does it not look? It's a crocodile?
Yeah.
Is that red?
Yeah.
I'm so getting one.
Wait, this crocodile is green.
There is a green crocodile, but he's going in my cart. Look, here's the, oh, that green is cute, Christian.
Okay, yeah, that's a normal color. What is it?
Like, push it. It's green. An infinity block.
Is it green?
Yeah, is it? You think that's green? That's like mint green. Christian, look over there. Are those Squishmallows?
Yeah.
No way.
Look at the green one.
Huh? Look, they have their winter. What is her name? V. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited about these. All right, son, who won? How many pieces do you have? Look at this.
4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's see what I got. 1,
Oh, I have to get 10.
2,
I want number
3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6.
I'm about to get 10 because I want another cat first. I'm going to get it.
You're just gonna load the buggy up with those? You cheater! Since I lost, what is your favorite in my cart though? This is my finds for today. I have not got one of these yet, so I love this. And I love this. Like, what's your favorite in mine?
Done.
None? What is your favorite in your cart? What's your find? The pickle? Yeah? Alright guys, we're going to end this video here. We're going to go check out. Of course, stay tuned because we're going to show you a haul of everything that we did get. We don't want to like totally ruin it on this vlog as Christian dances. Thanks guys for hanging out with us. Thanks for traveling 600 miles with us. We'll see you in the next. Bye!